everyone. Good morning, loves. So, actually, this is gonna be unexpected vlog kasi kakatawag lang ng doktor na pinagbuka namin ng appointment kasi dito kasi sa UK, hindi ka muna nila ibubook ng first scan until you're, I think, 9 to 12 weeks, I guess. Yun yung nabasa ko sa online. So, iba yung patakaran dito sa UK. Yung midwife or doctor nila dito. Wala pa kaming ginawa ni Franco since I found out I am pregnant. So, nag-decide kami ni Franco nang mag-book ng private na appointment for my scan. So, yun yung ginawa namin. Supposed to be my original appointment will be tomorrow, 12 p.m. Hinihingal ako. Dumoble yung hingal ko dahil. But then, kakatawag lang ng doktor na they have to reschedule my scan for tomorrow instead of mamayang gabi na lang. So, tinext ko si Franco agad if okay lang ba sa kanya na i-move tonight. So, 7 p.m. So, timing kasi it's Friday today and for sure, wala namang gagawin si Franco after work. Nasa office si Franco ngayon. So, mag-aayos ako. Actually, super antukin ko talaga. As in, inaantok ako palagi. Wala namang super like morning sickness so far. For now, I hope talaga ganito lang all throughout my pregnancy. But, may mga certain food lang na ayoko. Like yung isda, especially yung salmon. Ayoko yung amoy niya, nasusuka ako. And minsan pag madami yung nakakain ko, nasusuka ako. So far yun lang. And my boobs is very masakit. Super sore na niya. Ang sakit-sakit ng dede ko. And feeling ko lumalaki siya. Which is I like. Kasi alam niyo naman si Inday Joanna niyo. Super walang harapan. But anyway, mag-skincare ako. Alam niyo ba, since I found out I'm pregnant, I have been researching kung ano yung mga bawal na skincare sa mga buntis. Kasi alam niyo naman, gumagamit ako ng retinol and that's a big no kapag buntis ka. So anyway, maglalagay na ako ng moisturizer kasi alam niyo ba, super dry ng skin ko ngayong nabuntis ako, loves. As in, from super oily skin, super dry na ng skin ko. So, kailangan ko na madaming moisturizer. Ayan. Mag-skincare tayo while magchichika-chika. So, we probably announced already that we are finally pregnant, no? Kami ni Franco after almost 2 years of waiting, trying, para, alam niyo yun, para mabiyayaan kami. And, basta super emotional talaga. Kasi ang tagal namin nag-antay ni Franco sa aming biggest blessing. And super unexpected lahat. Naniniwala na talaga ako na ibibigay talaga ng Panginoon yan sa tamang oras. And everything has its own timing talaga, loves. Kasi this pregnancy is very unexpected talaga. Yun yung, naiiyak na naman ako. Dahil, kapayasun kay ko. Naiiyak na naman si Inday Joanna. Kinakabahan ako sa aking first scan or first ultrasound. Dinoble check ko sa doktor kanina during our call if she's going to do transvaginal scan or yung sa tiyan lang. But she said, since this is early pregnancy, I am currently 6 weeks and 4 days sa app ko. But mamaya natin ma-confirm kung ilang weeks na talaga ako. So, I'm not quite sure kung kailan namin i-release tong vlog kasi some of them says na wag muna i-announce kasi super maaga pa. And alam niyo naman siguro na we have been waiting for this blessing. So, parang maingat kami ni Franco. And lagi ko talagang pinagdadasal gabi-gabi na, you know, like, sana okay lang siya dyan kasi napaparanoid ako. Ganun pa talaga, no? Basta buntis ka, napaparanoid ka. Kasi, alam mo yun, parang weird yung feeling kasi meron ng laman yung tiyan mo. Tapos, gusto ko malaman kung ano na. So, isa yun sa reason bakit nag-decide kami ni Franco mag-book na ng appointment private. Sa first appointment lang naman, just to confirm our pregnancy. Kasi, ginagawa ko ng bisyo yung yung pregnancy test. Halos araw-araw na ako nag-pregnancy test kasi it's, I don't know, parang na-anxiety ako kung okay lang ba, kung andyan pa ba si baby. Alam niyo yun, yung ganong feeling. Siguro dahil, alam niyo, sa sobrang gusto mo, talaga siya. And ngayong andyan na, parang you want that everything is okay. So yun yung feel ko ngayon. And iyakin ako dahil, kung iyakin ako before, parang naging times 5, times 10 pa. Ayan, I am ready. So, nakapag-ayos na ako. O, diba? Nag-ano lang ako. Ayos-ayos para maganda naman tayo sa ating first scan. And then, nag-dress lang ako. Si Franco ay pauwi na, galing sa kanyang work. Nag-dress ako ng white dress ko. Kinakabahan ako na excited dyan kung anong ganap dito. So, ayan, isasama namin kayo sa aming first scan. Hopefully, everything is okay. Hopefully talaga, no? Okay. Kasi yun talaga yung, since na-found out ko talaga na nabuntis ako, hindi ako mapakali. Lagi akong nag-iisip. Like, kasi sa Pilipinas, di ba? Pag na-found out mo na buntis ka, anytime pwede ka magpa-check up. Like, magpa-blood test. But dito sa UK, like nung sa GP talaga, you have to wait. And within 10 minutes ay darating na yun si Franco. So, si Cooper ay andito. Andito si Cooper. Hello, baby! Hello! Hello! Hello, baby! Hello! Kakagising niya lang. Kakagising lang ni Cooper. Big boy na si Cooper! Big boy ng aming Cooper! Big boy na si Cooper! Shush! Feeling ko talaga si Cooper yung lucky charm namin. Kasi alam nyo ba, since super timing talaga, after 2 weeks nung kinuha namin si Cooper, talagang nabuntis ako. Diba? So, si Cooper ang aking lucky charm. Lucky charm. Ang cute na baby na yun. Super bait niya. Sa labas na talaga siya tumatae, umiihi. So, very good si Cooper dyan. Tignan mo. Hi, Avis! Hello! Hello! Cooper, come on. Cooper. Come on, show them. Sit. Cooper, sit. Yes. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Super clingy nito sa akin. Halos saan-saan ako talagang sumusunod to. Kahit tumatae ako, talagang sumusunod siya. Habang nagsha-shower ako, sumusunod din siya. Ayan, i-ano ko muna si Cooper. Maglalakad muna kami sa labas before first appointment. Kasi kailangan na itong Jumebs. Jujebs na ikaw? Jujebs na ikaw? Goes here. Tapos din kami mag-walk ni Cooper. Now, sit down. Sit. Cooper, sit. Okay, stay. May dumating na parcel para kay Cooper. So, binilhan ko siya nito. Yung harness na ano. Ay, so walang ano? Look! Do you like it? Do you like this? Do you like it? Yes. Do you like it? And then, may binili din ako. Ganito ka-spoiled si Cooper, guys. Do you like it? There's one more. Wow! Look at this. Ayan, bumili ako ng itong elevated na pet bowl para kay Cooper. Look at this. You like this one. Sit down, Cooper. Sit. You're so excited. Look at this. Wow! Wow! It's all for you. So, ayan. Pwede na siyang tubig and then yung slow feeder. Kasi, ang bilis niyang kumain. Wala pa atang 5 minutos. Ayan o, slow feeder to. Meron na siya kasi maliit. Ayan. And ito supposed to be for tubig na hindi siya mag-leak. Ayan. Hugasan natin ito. So, Cooper can actually use this. Yes, I know you are excited. You excited, boy? You like this? Ayan. Ay, paano ito? So, lalagay lang siya ng tubig. Ayan. Tapos ganyan. Ano ba ito? Ito ganyan. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda tas malaki pa. Asya. And then supposed to be, maano to? Ano? Wow! Tatayo na siya. Kasi lumalaki na kasi si Cooper, kaya this is supposed to... Ay, kabayo ka. This is good. Ah! Wow! You like it? You like it? Try to eat? Try to eat? You like it? I-spoon yung baby. Let me wash this and then papagamit natin to kay Cooper.
What is that for me?
For Cooper.
Jesus, is that for me? Oh, perfect! Oh my God, thanks a lot. Now I can finally eat on my floor like a Filipino. Look.
You like it?
One hand for the rice, one hand for the mangoes. Oh my, perfect! Oh, 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 you want to cut it? You want to cut it? You want to cut it? Come on.
So, he doesn't ano. I like it. It's very nice. Tapos hindi siya na ano, maalog-alog. That's very good. Pwede pa siyang bababa.
That's mine and Cooper. We can eat together now.
We can eat together now with Daddy Cooper.
Oh, 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 no.
Nagkayagaw na among pamilya, day.
You want massage, Cooper? Massage.
Uy, watch out the time, ha? Okay, we have an appointment. Ayan, oh, at ginamit na ni Cooper yung tubigan niya. Do you like it? Diba? So, iwas siya na hindi mag-kalat-kalat yung mga tubig. Ayan yan. So, konting tubig lang lumalabas. Very nice.
Perfect! Perfect! Perfect, Cooper. You have yours, go.
So, no, it's
No,
mine.
you
It's mine.
have to share. You have to share with me.
He likes it. Look, he likes it. Yay!
Like, stay away.
Ayan, papunta na kami sa clinic. It's only 8 minutes drive galing sa bahay. So, yeah. Are you excited, Malab?
Hi guys, I haven't introduced myself today. Yes, I'm very excited. It's our first scan of the baby, right, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it still hasn't sunk in yet, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
I still don't feel like I'm going to be a dad because life is continuing as normal for now, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's no scan.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe later. Let's see how it goes. Kasi super aga ko pa. Like, I'm super early pregnant at the moment. But let's see. We just need this confirmation for early scan. Kasi since I found that I'm pregnant, we haven't really done anything.
So actually, we've just registered with a new GP here in Windsor because it's closer to our home, and we just need to arrange the midwife now. So there's a process for that. Joanna has some mood swings here and there, which I've had to digest. Me and Cooper, the dog.
Yeah,
So-
sometimes I have very bad mood swing, but I think it's pretty normal
Yeah, I think it is.
for a pregnant woman. But anyway, we're going to update you, love, pag ando na kami sa clinic. Wish me luck, wish us luck. We're excited and nervous. Oh my God.
You know.
Ayan, nandito na kami sa clinic. So, ganito yung clinic. And dyan namin makikita si baby. Hopefully, everything is okay.
Oh, so you can see it there on the screen.
Yeah.
Really? I didn't know that.
The first time, Daddy.
They're gonna look at the screen. It's gonna be like.
So, Franco is, nag-fill out lang siya ng form. So, ayan. The midwife, she seems nice. So, ayan, hindi na namin natapos yung vlog kahapon sa aming first appointment. Kasi, yung sonographer kasi na nag-scan sa akin. So, hindi muna niya pinapa-film doon sa loob until everything is okay. So, chinecheck niya na muna kung okay ba, yung mga hinahanap niya, andun, present ba, if everything's okay sa pregnant or si Cooper or yung like so okay naman yung naging resulta sa aking first scan. It's because it's still too early. 5 weeks, almost 5 weeks pa ata, or 5 weeks and 5 days. Kasi yung nangyari kasi is kung i-count ko yung sa last period ko was July 17. But then, 2 beses kasi ako niregla sa July kasi nga due to hormonal imbalance ko, yung period ko is all over the place. Minsan 2 beses ako nagkakaregla sa isang buwan, minsan hindi. So, sabi ng sonographer kanina, I have to tell my midwife or doctor sa first appointment ko regarding about it para talaga matrace kung kailan yung due date ni baby. Kasi nga, yung like my menstruation, hindi matansya kung kailan talaga yung counting. Kasi 2 beses nga ako niregla sa month of July. Like, first week of July nagkaroon ako, tapos bumalik siya after 3rd week. Ganon yung struggle pag meron kang PCOS. Do comment down below if meron ko yung mga naranasan na ganon. So, ganon yung struggles ko for the last how many years? 5 years na ata ako nagka-PCOS. And ganun yung struggle ko. Minsan hindi ako dinadatnan, 1 buwan, 2 buwan. Minsan naman sa 1 buwan, 2 beses ako dinadatnan. So, hindi ko talaga siya matansya. Kasi, I also just found out na pag buntis ka pala, no, yung counting pala is yung first day of your last menstruation. So, doon ko na lang din talaga nalaman. Kasi, of course, I'm a first time soon-to-be mom. First time kong nabuntis. So, may mga information na first time ko din nalaman. Which is, yun nga, hindi namin found out kung ilang weeks na ba talaga ako. Like, specific talaga. But, kinount na lang namin kung kailan namin siya kinunceive, which is, naalala ko pa kung kailan namin siya ginawa. So, doon na lang namin siya binase muna until I have my first appointment sa aking midwife. So, I'm currently like 5 weeks, maybe 5 weeks and 3 days. So, hindi na kami nagpa-video doon kasi sabi niya wala pang nakita. Pero, it's confirmed na pregnant ako. Meron nakitang gestation and yolk sac, which is confirmed. Nabuntis ako, which is good. It's just very too early to see baby, na nag-develop si baby. Kaya, wala pang nakitang fetus. So, wala pa nakitang baby, but as you can see, sa aking yung yolk sac niya is very good. Maganda yung sonographer, everything is okay. Yung measurement ng yolk sac ko is very good. Just yung gestation sac as well is present, which is confirmation na I am pregnant. She requests us to come back in 2 weeks. So, meron kaming appointment in 2 weeks. And hopefully, si baby magpapakita na. So, might probably isang vlog ko na lang ito. Kasi ayoko din mag-upload na ganun lang. Like, wala pa akong nakitang baby. Kasi gusto kong mag-upload sa inyo na nakita na namin si baby. But, everything is okay. Sabi niya, wala kang kabahala kasi normal lang na yun. Kasi, too early pa daw for 5 weeks para may makitang baby, no? Kahit konti. Hindi pa daw talaga nakikita sa scan yan kasi sobrang aga pa daw. But the most important thing is merong yolk sac and gestation sac na nakita to confirm everything's okay, everything is good with measurement. So, yes, see you in 2 weeks.
Joanna's getting ready now for the scan. How do you feel, love? So the doctor's finished with the ultrasound and we see signs of a healthy baby, is that right to say?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see a heartbeat.
Wow, yeah, look, it's actually such a surreal feeling seeing something so small inside your stomach.
But the heartbeat is very active. Look.
Yeah, and you can see the heartbeat as well. Is that the heartbeat there?
Yeah, like that one, that flickering.
Yeah, I can't believe it. It's going to be our child. How do you feel?
No, I feel awesome, really. I don't really like...
It's still so small though, it just still hasn't sunk in yet that you're pregnant. I just still can't believe it.
Yeah, I think I can't even... Okay.
It keeps vanishing though.
No, I keep.
Is it still there?
It's still there.
Wow, I still can't believe it really. Wow.